Now our first question is to add a half plus a half. And this is similar to adding a half of a circle together with another half of a circle and seeing what we get. So when we add a half plus a half, we can do 1 plus 1 gives us 2, and 2 plus 2 is 4, giving us 2 quarters. But we know from earlier that 2 quarters can be broken down. That's equivalent to the fraction 1/2, because 2 goes into itself once and into 4 twice. So that's a half. So a half plus a half can't give us a half. We know the answer for a half plus a half must give us 1/2. So therefore, that method of adding the fractions cannot be correct. So what do we have to do to add fractions? Well, we should be saying how many halves do we have plus how many halves. So we've got 1/2 plus 1/2 is 2 halves. So 2 halves, 2 divided by 2 is 1/2. So you can see that the way we should be adding fractions is by saying how many halves plus how many halves. Example number 2, we've got fifths. And in this question, we're saying, okay, we've got 2/5 and we're going to add 1/5. So if we look here, we've got now 2/5, 1, 2, and we're going to add 1/5, and that leaves us with an answer of 3/5. So if we're going to get 3/5 adding fractions, that's going to be nice and easy. How many fifths have we got? We've got 2/5 plus 1/5 gives us 3/5. So adding fractions is very, very simple when we've got the same number on the bottom of each fraction. And the bottom of the fraction is called the denominator. So the denominator is the number at the bottom of a fraction.